Hello, friends, family, colleagues, and potential new friends that I have not yet met. My name is Joshua Alvord, and I am sharing this video to let everybody know that I am now working as a solar energy consultant with a company called Powur, and our team and organization name is the Solar Energy Alliance. And I'll start with sharing a little bit of why that I'm doing this work. I am super grateful to live on such a beautiful, magnificent planet. And it is my hope and intentions that we can pass on a beautiful, thriving, healthy planet to our future generations. And current use of burning fossil fuels contributes to a lot of pollution in the environment and negative impacts on the environment. And I feel that renewable energy and solar energy is a direct step that individual citizens can take in their life to create a positive environmental impact and help steward a healthy, thriving planet. And also an added bonus, because technology prices have come down so much over the years that now in many states and places around the world, solar energy is actually more affordable than fossil fuel energy from the utilities. And so that's a little bit about my why, just wanting to take care of this beautiful planet, pass on a healthy, thriving planet to future generations. And there's several ways that we can work together and engage in this process. Number one is if you are a homeowner or you have a friend or a family member or a colleague that is a homeowner, I would be honored to put together a free solar savings report and design for your home. All I need for that is a utility bill. This helps us scale the system, and the rest of the work I can do based off satellite imagery, and so we can do it virtually. So that's number one. If anybody is a homeowner or has friends or family, I would be honored to put together a design for your home. And number two is we have a really amazing ambassador program with our company. And so on our website, it just takes about a minute to enter in your information, become an ambassador, and then you have your own private portal to connect me or people in our organization with anybody that you know, friends, family, colleagues that are homeowners that might want solar. And if you help connect us and they end up installing solar, you receive $1,000 commission thank you for helping establish that connection. So that's number two, is to be an ambassador with our organization. If you would like to help promote the adoption of renewable energy around the planet and are inspired to do that. And the third option is to become a partner with our company. We have an amazing partnership program where people can work with us either as part-time work, hobby work, or full-time work. There are people that have been transitioning from other solar companies over to our company because we have, I would say, one of the most innovative platforms out there in the solar industry, and there's a lot more flexibility in the way that we as consultants can work. And so there's numerous people coming over from other solar companies. There's people that are joining our company that have no solar experience at all, and we have amazing live training almost every day of the week, and a university that educates people if they want to get involved in the solar industry. So if you are interested in engaging more deeply in the solar industry, we invite you to contact us and learn more about the partnership program. So those are the kind of the three ways that we can play together and engage with one another to promote renewable energy around the planet. One, if you're a homeowner or know somebody who is a homeowner, we can do a design for your home. Two, to become an ambassador with the organization. And three, potential work as a partner. So be really honored to engage with you in any one of these three ways, and wishing you all a really beautiful, blessed day. The sun is shining. Aloha.